What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, a number of youths. So, that is the song that has been composed for Xolani Khumalo, who is vying to be a mayor in the city of Ekurhuleni. So, this guy, Xolani Khumalo, is promising jobs for the youths, he is promising a safe community, etc. So, this guy, can he deliver? Definitely he can deliver. He has what it takes, in terms of the skills, etc. And the big question, it's to convince the people of Ekurhuleni there that he is the man. So if I'm to give a prediction, I don't think they can win the entire city outright with Xolani Khumalo becoming the mayor, but they can definitely pull, some coalition. If they can manage to get some significant percentage, then get into a coalition, definitely they can do that. So their biggest rival there in the city, I definitely think that is the EFF. If they can manage to steal something from the EFF, they can get there. I'll catch you guys on the next one.